Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell, then click all. Thanks. Okay, so another method of top coating, stamping, and alcohol inks without having it smear is to use regular nail foil adhesive. Okay, this is air dry, and you can pretty much tell when it's all the way dry because it's completely clear and it has no little bluish purple tint left to it. And then once you get this on and have this dry, you can come in and top coat with your regular air dry top coat over top, let that dry, or you can just use a gel top coat and cure it. Okay, it just helps so you don't get smearing. Right, and when you use the foil, air dry foil glue, you can tell it looks a little, I don't know, like bluish purple. Just ignore those little chunky things that are on my brush. My brush really needed cleaned. It was pretty clogged up, so after this video I cleaned it and everything is great. It's working good. And look how many times I can go over that and it won't smear. Did you see that? Now I need to let this completely air dry, and that is going to take anywhere from 3 to 5 minutes. And like I said, you don't want to see any more of that purple color. Okay, so I let this dry for about 5 minutes, and now it's time to come in and just top coat it with a regular top coat. Sally Hansen Insta Dry. All right, here we go. And see, it won't smear because you've already got it top coated. There. Very good. Now just let that dry, and yeah. And Sally Hansen Insta Dry dries really quick usually. Usually you're good to go in about 5 minutes. But when you first apply this stuff, you need to be quick because it does start drying like very soon, okay? And you'll get those brush marks, so be quick with it. And then you should be ready to go within like 5 to 10 minutes after top coating with this air dry stuff. Now, this same method you can use with gel top coat too. You can use the cami, like I said, with a gel top coat too, because that alcohol ink smears a lot, and of course stamping has a habit of smearing a lot too. Even with gel top coats, sometimes certain gel top coats will smear stamping. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you like the tips and tricks on top coating, stamping, and alcohol inks. And thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.